exploring the phrase, spy drones. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the intriguing world of spy drones. Have you ever come across this term and wondered what it means? Well, today is your lucky day. We'll break it down for you. Let's get started. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are flying devices that don't require a human pilot on board. They can be controlled remotely by a person on the ground or can operate autonomously based on pre-programmed instructions. Drones come in various shapes and sizes and can be used for multiple purposes, ranging from photography and filming to agriculture and even military applications. Now, what about the term spy? In general, to spy means to watch or observe secretly. When you attach spy to drones, it refers to drones specifically designed or used for surveillance and reconnaissance. These drones are equipped with cameras and, in some advanced versions, other sensors that allow them to gather information from a distance without being detected. Spy drones can be beneficial for multiple reasons. 1. Military and defense. They can be used to monitor enemy movements, gather intelligence, and even carry out precision strikes. 2. Security. Private companies and government agencies might use them to oversee large areas, such as borders or critical infrastructure, to detect any suspicious activities. 3. Wildlife and environmental monitoring. Researchers can use spy drones to observe wildlife without disturbing their natural habitats or to monitor changes in the environment. 4. Journalism. Reporters might employ spy drones to capture footage from areas that are challenging or dangerous to access. So there you have it. The term spy drones refers to unmanned aerial vehicles used primarily for surveillance and gathering information. We hope this explanation has shed light on the topic for you. Remember, language is a vast and ever-evolving domain, and the more we explore, the more we learn. Thank you for joining us today, and keep exploring the wonders of the English language.